Welcome back to Auto Car News and thank you for tuning into my channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting review and walkthrough of the John Deere 2025R, one of the most versatile and powerful compact utility tractors on the market. Whether you're a seasoned farmer, a landscaper, or a hobbyist looking to take your property maintenance to the next level, this tractor has the features, power, and reliability to get the job done. To start off, let's talk about why the John Deere 2025R is such a popular choice among compact tractor enthusiasts. This tractor falls in the 25 horsepower range, which means it's perfectly suited for small to medium-sized jobs. It strikes the perfect balance between size and performance, making it an ideal option for residential and commercial tasks alike. Whether you're mowing, tilling, loading, or even snow removal, the 2025R can handle it all. Now, let's get into the specifications. Under the hood, the John Deere 2025R is powered by a 1.3-liter Yammer diesel engine. This three-cylinder engine is not only efficient, but also provides enough torque to power through tough jobs. One of the standout features of this engine is how quiet and smooth it runs. Whether you're working early in the morning or late in the evening, you won't have to worry about disturbing your neighbors. The transmission is a hydrostatic 2-range unit, which makes operation incredibly user-friendly. Instead of dealing with clutching and shifting gears, you simply use the 2-pedal system to move forward or backward. This is particularly handy for beginners or anyone working in tight spaces where precision is key. The hydrostatic transmission also allows you to fine-tune your speed and movement, making it ideal for tasks like mowing or front-end loader work. Speaking of loaders, let's take a look at the loader capabilities of the 2025R. This tractor is typically paired with the 120R front loader, which has a lift capacity of approximately 800 pounds. That's more than enough for most residential projects, like moving mulch, gravel, or dirt. The loader is also equipped with a quick attach system, making it incredibly easy to switch between buckets, forks, or other attachments. The versatility of the John Deere 2025R doesn't stop there. One of its standout features is the Category 1 3-point hitch at the rear. This allows you to connect a wide range of implements, from rotary cutters and box blades to tillers and spreaders. The lift capacity at the hitch is just over 1,150 pounds, which is impressive for a tractor of this size. This means you can tackle even the most demanding tasks without breaking a sweat. Let's not forget about the mid-PTO, which is another game-changer. This allows you to attach mid-mount mowers, snow blowers, or other powered implements. The availability of both a rear and mid-PTO means you can operate multiple attachments depending on your needs. For example, you could mow the lawn in the summer and switch to a snowblower in the winter, making the 2025R a year-round workhorse. Comfort is another area where the John Deere 2025R really shines. The operator station is designed with ergonomics in mind, featuring an adjustable seat with armrests, a tilt steering wheel, and conveniently placed controls. Whether you're spending 30 minutes or several hours on the tractor, the 2025R ensures you'll stay comfortable. The layout is intuitive, so even if you're new to tractors, you'll quickly get the hang of it. One feature I particularly appreciate is the optional cab. If you're working in extreme weather conditions, the cab can provide a comfortable, climate-controlled environment. It comes with heat and air conditioning, as well as large windows for excellent visibility. This is especially useful for operators in colder climates who need to clear snow during the winter months. Another big plus is the maintenance-friendly design. John Deere has made it incredibly easy to access all the major service points. The hood opens effortlessly, providing access to the engine, filters, and other components. Regular maintenance, such as oil changes and filter replacements, can be done quickly and without hassle. This ensures your 2025R stays in top shape for years to come. Now, let's talk about durability and build quality. As you'd expect from John Deere, the 2025R is built to last. The frame is solid, the components are high quality, and the attention to detail is evident throughout the tractor. This is a machine that can stand up to tough jobs and harsh conditions, giving you peace of mind that your investment is well protected. Finally, let's address the price. The John Deere 2025R is a premium compact utility tractor, and its price reflects that. However, when you consider the quality, performance, and versatility it offers, it's a worthwhile investment. Plus, John Deere has a strong dealer network and excellent financing options, making it easier for you to bring this incredible machine home.